In the previous video, we had implemented insert method for dynamic arrays. To recap, insert is a method in dynamic array that changes the size of the array so it can fit all items inside. Now, as we do insertion, we need deletion of elements. And for that, I will copy all methods, delete, delete first, and delete all, to our dynamic array. And for our delete, I will use this method. If it's greater, and we shall use this. And here we shall define length minus. Is greater or equal. Else just set items I. And since we all have this, let me just check that this is correct. It takes the next element, and the last element is not default, but it's actually showing none. So we set items equal to items. And here what we do is, usually items are larger than our other items because of the length. And that's why we need to go through the entire length to get all elements. This should be for delete. Now delete first comes. Deleting first item. If item is true, then we shift items +1. Since we are using delete, we can do length -1, and items are less. And if items equal items E, we could actually simplify this. If item C equals I, then shift equals true, and if shift equals true, we use delete at I. And also when this happens, we just return. Or we can use break, even better, to avoid using shift. Or no, I will just keep it like this. Or make it just like that. We don't need an extra boolean. So item C equals item, we deleted index I. And return. In delete all, it's a bit different. For each item that is not equal to item, but here which item is equal to item, we use delete at I. Now we do not need a counter for this. It is true that this is bad because we have a for loop here and a for loop here. So now for testing purposes this will be enough. And let's say dynamic array delete -1. Let us watch what happens. Now here we have to be careful because length comes later. We can use length -1, but our length counter actually decrements. Oh wait, maybe this is wrong. Yes, this is wrong. -1. Let's test. It deletes successfully the last element. Now if we use insert 100 and insert 100 and insert 100 and use DynamicArray delete all value 100, and when DynamicArray linear traversal, oh, pardon. Now we have had removed mostly all of them except one. Delete all. Equal to length. Minus, of course. Because when we delete, we need to decrement in the for loop. And delete first, just delete the first item. Now this would be okay if it would be only a single loop. So for now, this will be it for deletion. In the next video, we will fix delete first and delete all methods to work efficiently. Otherwise, this is deletion. It shrinks the array.